Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tessie and we're back in another video. I'm so sorry guys, I kept disappearing and coming back, and guys, it's been really stressful, work, family and life. In today's video I have got a wig from this hair company. I really love this hair company. Mind you, this is not a promotion video. This is a review of this absolutely amazing wig. This wig is from a hair company called Brennas Hair, and they've got their website. You can find them on AliExpress. The wig came with a wig cap and some lash. Look at this lush mink lash. Do you know something guys? I love any wig that comes with lash. I'm sold, like literally. Oh, I love freebies. If you give me lash and it's a mink lash and it's a lovely lash just like this one, then I'm gonna buy your wig. Seriously, I will buy your wig. Anyways, so I've got a wig cap which I'm just gonna pop it on my head before I show you guys the wig. I'm just gonna quickly put this on so it gets dry while I show you guys the wig. So basically today's video is just install. You guys already know how I do my install, so I'm just not gonna talk you guys through it. I'm just gonna do my thing and then I'm gonna show you guys the final look of this beautiful wig. And like I said before, the wig is from Brennas Hair Company. You can find them on AliExpress, and they've got a website as well. I'm just gonna leave everything you need to know in the description box. I know guys, like I'm talking about giving you guys everything you need to know about this wig, and I haven't even showed you the wig yet, but not to worry, I can't give you outdated information or something that you will not like. So trust me, if I say you're gonna love this wig, you're definitely gonna love the wig. So just bear with me. Let me just prep my wig cap, only because guys I have like a party today and I'm just gonna be dressing up as well. So this is more like a get ready with me installation video. So yeah, I'm just gonna be quick if you guys don't mind. So I'm just gonna leave that on there to dry because absolutely I do not want to use a blow dryer today. There's kind of like a feel you get from your stockings wig cap or your bold cap method if you do like air dry them. So I'm all for the air drying today guys, like literally all for air drying. Right, so this is a wig and it's from Brennas Hair Company. This is the tag. This is the inside of the wig. It's got one, two, three combs, so you can actually stock it on your head and the wig would literally just stay on. And then there's a little bit of net at the back, so if you want to pack like a ponytail or something, you can definitely get that done as well. Yeah, I'm just gonna quickly go off camera and then I'm just gonna come back when the lace is all cut off and then I'll install it. And yeah, let's get this done.
starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, oh.
So it took me so much time to try and flatten the right hand side of this part, and I was getting nowhere. The wig won't budge. I tried to put like a curl on it, the wig won't take it. I tried to literally press down that side, right hand side part, and it wouldn't work. You can see me struggling in this video, like, oh my goodness. I had to go off camera and do like my normal go-to C-part cord, and this is what I came up with. Right, so this is the wig final look, people. I'm all dressed up. I'm going out for a party. The boobies are out as well. I'm just gonna quickly go on and put this concealer just on the lace so it looks a bit natural. So I'm just gonna start doing it from here, and then I'm just gonna work my way through where the part is, just like so. I didn't really part the hair. I didn't give it a clean part because I wanted like a messy look. So guys, this is the final look of this wig. You know me with my side parting. I do love a side part, and that's what I've done on this wig. As you can see, the lace is really good. It melts into the skin. I did do a little bit of concealer just to help the lace sit well, but that's about it. That's the only thing I did. And yeah, the wig itself is soft, absolutely 100% human hair if you ask me, but that's what it says on the tag anyways. So yeah, let's go with that. It looks so beautiful, and yeah, this is the final look of the wig. If you guys want to try this wig out, or you want to shop from this website, I'm gonna leave the link in the description box. And if you buy from Brennas wig, I'm gonna be getting 10%. You can also use my discount code to get a 20% off. So yeah, what are you guys waiting for? Because I am literally sold on this one. I love the wig so much, and this is my final look of the wig. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Do not forget to drink lots and lots of water, moisturize, and I will be seeing you in another video. Bye guys.